My name is Mohit Sharma and I have completed my bachelor's from engineering. I was first planning to move abroad for my studies and all, but simultaneously I was searching about some good career options. So then I came to know about digital marketing. Then I started to survey, started to study about this thing, and then I came to know that digital marketing is the next big thing in the market. It's a really big boom in the market. So why not start my career from the same thing as well? I was searching for digital marketing classes, institutes in Ahmedabad, nearby my house or somewhere. But then I came to know about Brandveda. So I started to see their websites, their testimonials, their reviews, and start to know about the faculties who are teaching over here. My first main priority for joining Brandveda was to learn how to promote a YouTube channel, because I basically have a YouTube channel. So I wanted to gain knowledge in how to promote YouTube videos, how to promote social media marketing and all. And then I came to know about SEO, SEM, and whole thing about digital marketing. While I was pursuing my course, I didn't even finish my course and I got placed in 2-3 companies. Well, there was ongoing job mela where we were applying for interviews and companies were coming for taking candidates for their jobs, and I got placed in 2 to 3 companies. But then I selected the company which I liked the most, and it's nearby the company and they are paying me very good as well. So I would like to really thank Brandveda for this opportunity. I would strongly recommend everyone to join Brandveda if they are dedicatedly wanting to start their career or move their career into digital marketing, because first thing, digital marketing is a very booming market. Secondly, Brandveda will bridge their career into the same.